In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an object in Illustrator. If you want to quickly reverse the direction of a shape, icon, image, or any selected element in Adobe Illustrator, this is a very simple tool to use once you know where to find it. Flipping an object can help when you're adjusting composition, creating symmetry, or just trying out a different layout without redrawing anything. To begin, select the object you want to flip using the selection tool. You can click the selection tool from the toolbar or simply press V on your keyboard for the shortcut. Make sure the correct object is actively selected before moving on, because Illustrator will only apply the transformation to whatever is currently highlighted. Once your object is selected, go to the top menu and click Object. From there, find Transform and hover over it to open the submenu. In that submenu, choose Reflect. As soon as you click Reflect, a panel will open with the flip options you need. Inside the Reflect panel, you'll choose the direction of the flip. If you want to flip the object from left to right, choose Vertical. This creates a mirrored result across a vertical axis, which is the setting you'll use when you want the object to face the opposite direction horizontally. If instead you want to flip the object from top to bottom, choose Horizontal. This mirrors the object across a horizontal axis, so it appears upside down, relative to its original position. It's helpful to remember that the names refer to the axis being used for the reflection, not the direction your eyes may first expect. So if the result looks opposite of what you imagined, just switch to the other option. After choosing either vertical or horizontal, click OK to apply the flip. Illustrator will immediately update the selected object with the new orientation. That's all it takes to flip an object in Illustrator. The main thing is to start by selecting the right item, then use Object, Transform, and Reflect to access the flip settings. If you're experimenting with a design, this is a great way to compare different orientations quickly and cleanly. Try both reflection options to see which one works best for your layout, especially when you're working with logos, graphics, or decorative elements that need a more balanced appearance. And that's how to flip an object in Illustrator.